Welcome back, viewers. We'll be having our weigh-in and playtime. I did forget to bring a towel in here to protect my legs, so hopefully my legs will survive this. Wake up, little one. All the toys have ended up over here in the corner. Let's see how Addie's whiskers are doing. Starting to grow back. Jamie has one that's almost a centimeter long. Grant's are pretty short. Tory's are pretty short. Mama, you can stop trimming their whiskers now. Having the scale up here, they won't try to jump down right away. Gives me time to weigh them. Okay, yesterday, or 2 days ago actually, Jamie was still in the lead at 25.3 ounces, followed by Grant, followed closely by Tory. Actually, hold up, nope, followed by Addie, and then by Tory. So Grant's still in second place. Climb on the jeans, not the bare flesh, please. Okay, 2 days ago, Jamie weighed 25.3 ounces, 717 grams. Today, don't fall off. 20, quit that, Grant. 27.6 ounces. You're shaking the whole thing, boy. Jamie continues to have impressive gains. Let me verify that because that's a really big one. Yep. So Jamie gained 2.3 ounces. Now weighs 782 grams. Addie last weighed 23.8 ounces, 675 grams. $25.8 ounces. Jamie, quit changing your weight. I've already forgot what you weighed. 25.8. Okay, Addie gained 2 ounces, now weighs 731 grams. 2 days ago, Grant weighed 27.3 ounces, 689 grams. $25.8 ounces. So Grant gained 1.5 ounces, now weighs 731 grams. Tory last weighed 23.1 ounces, 655 grams. 23.9 ounces. So she gained 0.8 ounces, now weighs 678 grams. Jamie is still in the lead, and now Addie and Grant are tied for second place, followed by Tory in third place. Yes? No, it's not so bad. You can come over here. I'll protect you from the terror that is Grant. That's how you wind up a kitten, by doing that. Ready, set, go! I got little scratches on my legs from previous visits with the kittens. They got through my jeans. Oh, well, that's just a mark from my iPad resting there. Hey, Jamie. Bunny. Okay, if you lay down your side, girl, you can bunny kick him back in his head. Okay, let's wind you up, boy. Looks like Jamie's gonna have blue eyes. Their eyes are starting to change now, but so far it looks like none of them will have dual color eyes like Mama has. And I think Addie will have blue eyes as well. Kittens are born with dark blue eyes. I think Grant and Tory will have golden eyes or green eyes. They're really wrestling over there in the corner. If you're gonna be cute where people can see you. I guess that works, kinda. Sorry, Tory. You win! Here, have a carrot. Jamie's in the box. He's digging. And he's peeing. Yay! Yep, he's digging again. Okay, Grant, leave him alone. Tory, you go on the girl side of the box. But you beat up your sister. Now, Tory is digging. And she's going number one. Yay! Yes, Mom. I see you. They did what? Really? For shame, Grant. I know. It's tough being a single mom, huh? Tori's covering her number one. Now Grant is digging. But I really like this. Okay, let's get the litter off your nose. And Grant's going number one. Yay! Litter training is going excellent. I think the only one who hasn't gone to the bathroom yet during my visit is Addie. Okay, boy, no playing in the litter box. Just right. Okay, Addie, let's try your litter box habits. And there goes Addie with the number one. Oh, nope, she's in the kennel area. Okay, still need a little progress for Addie. Okay, come here, girl. Come here, come here, come here. That's it, girl. Dig away. And there she goes. Yay. It's a good girl. Litter box, not toy box. Now all I need to wait to see is kitten turds in the litter box. Good jump there. Yay. Enjoy the kittens. Have a good evening, morning, afternoon.